So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use Microsoft Planner as a Kanban board. So the first thing you want to check out is once you're logged in, some of your plans will be in a list like this once you click on my plans. So let's just open one of them up. So from here you can see backlog, up next, in progress, blocked. So it looks okay, but nothing too special. So you can rename it and use different things. So I'm just going to show you as an example, a Kanban board. So you can see a Kanban board is a sort of workflow and work chart board. So you can see column card, and it's really going to make you see things that's going to be easier to focus on your workflow. So you can see here backlog, up next, in progress, blocked, and so on. So if that's too much, usually it's going to be on something like this. So if you have to do, let's going to do a new bucket that's called doing. So you can add tasks that are currently being done, and you can add a bucket that's called done. Usually that's how your tasks are organized on here. So you can see not started, in progress, and completed. So you can assign that, so you can move it to here, so you can add it to backlog and stuff like that. If you go back to your plans and open up, let's say this, you can see to do, doing, and done, and then organize your tasks by color as well. You can even add new buckets. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Microsoft Planner or some other topics you might enjoy as well. See you guys in the next one. Goodbye.